Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Saturday, December 23rd, 2010 am. We have been appearing to you for a long time. In this way, we have created special bonds whereby the heart can express itself without fear. These contacts are taking place at a level far above human exchanges. Absolute sincerity characterizes them. Very often, men think in one way and talk in the opposite way, or they make sure to distort the truth. They do not always do it consciously, but they wrap up their remarks in a subtle way. Here, that way of doing things does not apply. We do not participate in the play of humans. The hearts are open in front of us, and we can only remain in absolute sincerity. The tricks of this world do not exist where we are. We note the behavior of our human brothers and with sadness, but also with compassion. This world is a jungle where one must survive and will do anything towards that. Blessed be the pure in heart, Babuji. Sunday, December 24th, 2010 am. I told you rather often to change turns of phrases when necessary. We do not dictate these messages to you word for word. Sometimes you take them down under difficult conditions. Therefore, without distorting their meaning, you can amend if need be. The French language is not easy. When the earth becomes a planet where harmony and peace reign, a universal language will be given to men. Humans and all the forms of life living here below will be able to communicate through a vibratory code. Currently, some small tribes who are isolated and protected from the damaging effects of your civilization communicate that way. The thought transference is practiced in certain highly spiritual places. These remarks will perplex more than one reader, but they are true. The true possibilities of the human being are not used. The enormous potential of its brain is not exploited as it would be needed. Since the caveman, he has only gone a limited way. At the vibratory rate of the earth rises, the resources of human will develop and current criteria of knowledge will be outdated. Some of your values will no longer prevail. They will be seen as out of date and puerile. There is yet a long way to go before reaching that stage. You will not live in that new era. All that we are doing is raising the veil to let you catch a glimpse of what life will be on the earth for future civilizations. Babuji.